This is the Raid Pro 340 by Premier Motor Racing Solutions. It's a gaming rig for those who take their racing sims very seriously and have the cash to back it up. Built into a chassis that bears a passing resemblance to one of our favourite track cars sits a racing seat connected to a motion system and surround sound setup that are designed to give far more feedback and sensory immersion than you'd normally get out of your run-of-the-mill home racing setup. Add to that pedals and a flappy paddle gearbox that feel damn near the real thing, and this could make for an interesting afternoon's worth of gaming.
The power coming through the steering wheel is phenomenal. If you're used to your off-the-shelf racing wheels that you can pick up and plug into your PlayStation, this isn't that. The force I'm having to put in to actually steer this car is realistic. It feels like driving a real car. This already is far closer to a realistic driving experience than any other simulator I personally have ever used. But we can go one better. Let's go to VR.
One of the most exciting features is that you can combine this rig with an HTC Vive VR headset and fully immerse yourself in the game. To give it a go, I jumped into a car I'm very familiar with, the BAC Mono, and took it to its home track of Alton Park.
Okay,
mate, time to focus on those lights. Let's get a clean getaway and defend in that full position. Green, green, green. Go, go, go.
Taking this into the realm of VR has quite literally added an extra dimension to this. Now, modern VR rigs like this HTC Vive still don't quite have the resolution we're hoping they might one day have in the future. Have in the future. But the fact that it is so immersive, you forget that almost immediately. And this combined with the motion system has taken it to a completely different level. This was already incredibly engaging just with a triple screen setup, but this has now immediately become a different, a different kettle of fish altogether.